Hi everyone, Vince here. Today I'm reviewing HalosGG to see if it's still worth the time and effort in 2026. Hope you enjoy. For those who do not know, HalosGG is a get-paid-to platform that not only can you use on your computer, but you can also use on your mobile phone as well by simply browsing to their website. Now, something I do have to say is that they have a lot of offer walls, everyone, so get ready. It's not just surveys today, which is excellent to see. So this is what it looks like when you sign up. At the top of the screen, you have your different categories that you can browse through. Right now, we are on the Earn page. And here is where you can find a featured surveys area. And as you can see, the prices are extremely good at the moment. And remember, these prices will change on a day-by-day basis. But right now here in Australia, these rates are actually excellent in my opinion. It looks like the highest survey at the moment is a 10-minute one for $6 worth of USD currency. Keeping in mind here, this is just the featured surveys area, because underneath you can actually find the various offer walls that are currently available, again, at least in my country. So obviously having variety is always a big positive as well. You can also browse the individual survey providers to compare prices, but something that really stands out to me is the watching videos area. That is right, you can actually generate the currency on Halos by watching videos. And as you can see in the top right corner of the screen, my balance is currently 17,454 of the Halo currency, which that converts into $17.45 worth of USD, which I'll be withdrawing on today's video for my test. Now, checking out the cash out options by heading over to the shop area, Halos currently states there are cash out options as low as 50 cents. And not only can you manually search for various gift cards or rewards, but right underneath you have every single available option allowed in your country, everyone. So as you can see, it is quite overwhelming. And again, that's exactly what you want to see for a get paid to platform. I mean, the more options, the better in my opinion. And the great thing is, at least right now, they have so many of the mainstream options, which really, who can complain with that, right? Like for instance, if I go to PayPal, I make sure to choose my country from the list. It does state that no matter what we withdraw on, there's going to be a 4% fee, but usually that's just because of PayPal fees themselves, not the actual platform. But the absolute minimum I have here is $1.25 for a PayPal withdrawal. Again, you can see the fee apply in real time there. Now for their cryptocurrency section, for Bitcoin, it's a $3 minimum. For Litecoin, it's 50 cents, Solana 50 cents, and Dogecoin 50 cents as well. Again, each of these options are going to have their own little fees, so please keep that in mind. So some very solid cash out options there across the board. But what I want to mention quickly is when it comes to surveys and offer walls, everyone, the higher the price, generally the harder the actual activity is going to be. So just keep that in mind before we head into the offer wall and survey area, okay? So now back to the Earn page, if we're to go through and check out one of the various offer walls here, for instance, Torox, they're claiming that their offers are willing to give up to $1,000 almost in some circumstances here. And obviously the lower we go on the list, the lower amount we're going to get for each of these offers. But grab a toy offer here, for instance, $285 worth of USD. Whereas a Call of Dragons offer here, $424 USD. And it just keeps on going and going. And this is just one individual offer wall. But again, everyone, please keep in mind, these are multi-tiered reward offers, which means obviously you need to complete most, if not almost all of the steps to get that bulk load of the reward. But that's the same for every single get paid to platform. Okay, so don't think that's just on HalosGG. This is literally everywhere, everyone, okay? Offer walls are notoriously difficult to complete, hence the high reward rate. Now, funny enough, even Lootably has an offer for $1,161 worth of USD for Game Hag, and continuing to go down here, various rewards with various rates. It would honestly take me too long to go through each individual offer wall, but my advice is to go through and compare each of them to make sure you're getting the best rate on the platform. Now with the survey rates, for CPX research, the highest survey I can get is $1.61 worth of USD currency for my time. Again, very solid for CPX research prices there. Now BitLabs is all over the shop with their pricing today, but what I can see is around $2.11 worth of USD is the highest price I can get for a survey today for 7 minutes of my time, which is definitely not bad. Now something to pay attention to is that different providers may have a bonus running at the time. That will help you a lot. So clicking on the rewards button at the top of the screen will give you access to the referral, promo code, and weekly streak system. If you earn at least 1,000 halos every day, you can keep your streak alive. And you'll notice here that each day you'll get more and more halos, up to 1,500 halos if you reach day 7, which is of course $1.50. Pretty cool. Now clicking on the giveaways button will take you to Halo's giveaway system, and this system is very simple, everyone. All you need to do is literally press join, and that is it. I've now joined the giveaway. So now I've appeared under the recent entries list, and it seems I'm the only entry at the moment, and with 50 halos up for grabs within 49 seconds, ideally I should be the winner of the giveaway, but let's find out together. I'm just gonna wait a moment, and there we have it. I won that giveaway since I was the only entry, and it looks like the giveaway happens every single hour. Supposedly, the giveaway can be boosted by something called a divine hour, which means the community actually has to complete enough offers, and then what I suspect happens is that the giveaway gets boosted. As a quick little bonus, everyone, if you do plan on using HalosGG, the developers have actually supplied me my own little promo code to give to you all. It's on the screen at the moment, and if you can't see it, it's Vinsane250. Capital letters, by the way. Now, activating this promo code was very simple for me. All I did was go to the rewards area, enter in the promo code in the promo code section. Bottom right corner of the screen, a message appeared saying that the promo code was accepted, and I was rewarded 250 Halos currency, which is 25 cents USD, which should actually cover a majority of the cash out fees, at least in my country. Completely up to you, of course, but it is nice that they've actually given that out. Now, located at the bottom of the earn page is a quick tasks area. Here you can follow the HalosGG team on various social media platforms, and in return they'll give you a little bit of Halos currency. Not only that, they actually do have their own little Discord server, which you can join directly through their website. So now that you know all that, let me just break down how my test went. So, heading over to the shop area, I obviously want to withdraw my PayPal currency, so I click on PayPal. Now, because I have 17,504 Halo currency, which obviously converts into $17.50, I'm just going to click on the max button here, and there we go. So you can see with that 4% fee, they're going to take 70 cents off me and leave me with $16.80 worth of USD currency. Again, making sure my country is set correctly. I've entered the rest of the details I needed, and now I'm going to hit withdraw, and now it's going to ask me for phone verification. And you see, this is what happens on most get paid to platforms now. There is some sort of verification, everyone. All right, and that's it. It says successful, and now my balance is wiped, and there you have it, everyone. Straight away I just received an email to my email account stating that I've received the $16.80 worth of USD currency. And yes, everyone, I'm very happy to say that $16.80 did hit my PayPal account straight away, at least in my experience here in Australia. So there you go. And there you have it, everyone. That's my experience with HalosGG in 2026. Very solid platform still. Again, I can only speak on my behalf here in my own country. From what I can see, the platform's still growing and changing every single month, so that's always a positive as well to keep an eye on. I think the best tip I can actually give though is just be realistic with the earning expectations on any of these platforms, whether it be HalosGG or any other get paid to platform out there. Country, age, and gender play a massive role in earning potential, okay? And even with verification, just because I have to be asked for verification doesn't mean your own country is going to be enforced. In my opinion, it's completely based on individual accounts and experiences. Either way, thank you all so much for watching. Check out my channel for almost 1,000 reviews. And thank you to HalosGG for sponsoring today's video. I'll catch you all next time.